Alright, today we're at the Mitcham VicRoads testing centre. So you can see this is the VicRoads. Those are the parkings for the end of the test. This is where you will be starting your test. So all of these parkings during the day, obviously it's going to be a little bit more full. So when you go to start your test, firstly when you get to VicRoads, reverse park into the parking just so it's easier when you come out. You don't have to reverse. And when you come out of the parking, this is a two-way road. This parking here is two ways. So you just need to make sure that you look both ways and you give way for anyone that's coming from your left-hand side and your right-hand side. When it is safe, you're going to indicate right and move out. Once your back door has reached the end of the car next to you, or the end of the garden, for example, you're going to full lock the steering wheel to the right and you're going to pull out of your parking. Here as well, there is a pedestrian crossing, so just make sure that you're looking at this and just making sure there's no one crossing when you go to move out. Just make sure that you're aware of that.
Okay. When you're ready and safe, move out to the right. The speed limit is 10 km in the parking area. Try to keep left, but need to be safe to the left as well. The cars parked there, and also you need to keep your eyes on the cars parked on the left side. They might move backward anytime. Make sure up here to look right, look left as well, because the line is too tight. Your head of the car might move over the line there. We're turning left on the main road. At the next street, turn right. At the end of the street, turn left. At the test, if you are asked to turn left or turn right, if not, go straight ahead or follow the course of the road. At the next street, turn right. Stop here for a sec, please. Is this a roundabout or?
No, it's
No.
not around.
So just stop here for a sec. This is a bit confusion for the learners. They're thinking it's a roundabout and just going around that island. So make sure to turn from the turning lane, like just a normal turning right.
Yeah. There was a car behind me. I couldn't stop it.
At the next street, turn left. And where it is safe, do a 3-point turn. Make sure when you're doing 3-point turn into the driveway, don't take the car to the left. Just need to be very close to the center line and turn from the center line. And also, it was much better to do your 3-point turn not exactly opposite the another road, another street. Because they tell you where it is safe, they give you enough time and enough room for you. Turn right at the end. At the next street, we're turning right. Again, this is not a roundabout. We need to give it to the right as well as to the left, who's signaling and turning, and also who going from the left straight.
Can you turn right from here?
Yes, you can. Because it's like, I take it as normal intersection. Yeah. Yeah, the arrow is, the arrow and the island in the middle, it confused the learners. Most of the learners gets failed there because of that bit of island.
So that's one of the top common mistakes.
It is in Mitcham VicRoads, yes. At the end of the street, we're turning right. Yeah, we have a keep clear here. Make sure to keep clear the keep clear. Up here, you need to, this is Canterbury Road. You need to give it to the right as well as the left, who's signaling right. Like the car just turned. Okay, at the entrance of the Canterbury Road, the speed limit is 80 here. There is no sign, but the speed limit is 80 here. But make sure the speed might change at any time. See, change to 70 here from here. Make sure to be under 70 before you reach to the sign. At the traffic lights, make a U-turn and finish it to the left lane. When it is safe, move to the middle lane. Move it to the right lane when it is safe. See, after you pass the 80 sign, you can go over 70 and under 80. When it is safe, move to the middle lane. At the traffic lights, we turn left. At the next street, turn left. At the end of the court, turn the car around. And when you turn the car around at the end of the court, make sure to pull to the left somewhere there is no driveway. If you couldn't stop there, you could stop next to these vehicles parked there.
Yeah.
Turn left at the next street. We're turning right at the next. At the next street, turn right. This is not a street, this is the parking tree. Then make sure to find the right street. At the end of the street, turn left, then immediately turn right into the VicRoads parking. And turn right into the VicRoads parking entry. Officer will ask you to park somewhere safe, so it's up to you to find a safe place. Don't rush, don't squeeze yourself between two cars. Just look for the safe one, an easy one. It doesn't matter any parking, but not in the disabled parkings.